What's going on? Welcome to the MedJSec YouTube channel. This is going to be our first blue team walkthrough that we're doing on the channel, or that I'm doing on the channel. So let's get it straight into it. Let's not waste any time. So this is the CyLab Security Academy, formerly known as Pico CTF, and we are doing the forensic kind of path walkthrough. And I've decided to start with this challenge. It's a medium challenge called Disk Sleuth for the walkthrough, and let's get into it. So we got a forensics challenge, medium, by Surreal, and it's an old challenge, came out in 2021, but I still think this is a really good challenge to do. So it says use search strings from the sleuth kit and some terminal food to find a flag in this disk image, and we have the disk image here. I've already downloaded it, so let's get straight into it. So first we're going to open up the terminal, and we're going to go to our downloads folder where we can see ls, so we can see it right here. So first we can see we got the image, but it's in a GZ format, so we're going to need to unzip that. So I'm going to use the tool gun zip and get that in there. So we're going to get the tool, or we're going to get that unzipped, so we should finally have the actual disk image, and we're gonna list it out just to double check. I already did that, sorry. And we have the image here, image file here. One thing I like to do when I'm doing forensic CTFs is always double check what the actual file is that you're dealing with, so you can see exactly what it is or what it may not be. So as we can see here, we got the name of the image file, and it tells us that this is DOS and BR master boot record, boot sector partition 1 active. So this is looking like it's saying what it is. So it's an image file, right? So what we want to do first is we want to use MMLS, which is a tool, and I have a short description up here of what it is. So search strings and MMLS. So MMLS is a media management tool used to display the layout of a volume system, such as partition tables on a disk or an image file, scans raw disk image and outputs a table of partition, details the start sector, end sector length, and type of partition. So this is going to tell us what exactly is inside this image here. Okay, so we're going to do that. So we got partition table, we see the primary table, we see the length, start, end, unallocated, and Linux. So we see that there's actually information on here, and there's a drive, Linux drive on here. Now we're going to use search strings on this. So search strings, modified forensics version of the standard Unix strings command, is designed to extract human readable text from binary files or raw disk image. So this is going to essentially do what strings does, but it's just a forensics version of it. So we're going to run search strings on this, and then we're going to go through, and as you can see, there's a bunch of stuff going on here, right? We could scroll through here, and we can kind of see some things, right? We see some data here. We could go find the flag manually like this by dragging up, but as y'all saw, you can see all this information that's in here. Okay, this would not be a good use of our time, right? So what we can do is search strings. We can do the image file, but then what we're going to do is we're going to pipe and we're going to grep. Okay, so grep is another search tool that you can use to search for text as well. And we know that CyLab used to be Pico CTF, and all of the flags for Pico, or now CyLab, start with Pico. So we're going to grep Pico right here, and then we're going to press enter, and we'll see a couple of strings here. It looks like we have our flag here. So Pico CTF, Forensicator Neophyte, and a couple other things. So we'll grab this, copy, and we will put it here. Paste, and challenge is solved. This is a simple, I mean, they said it was a medium. I guess it has a little bit more steps probably than some of the easier ones I've done. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and there will be more videos similar to this one and more blue team challenges to come. Thank you so much. Have a good day.